If you're a truck owner, you probably had your fair share of soaked gear, dusty tools, or the constant concern about leaving your valuables unprotected in the bed. When it comes to truck bed covers, many people end up making the wrong choice. Either it doesn't suit their needs, or it doesn't hold up over time. Choosing the right cover from the start can save you money and frustration in the long run. In this video, we're going to walk you through 7 of the top truck bed covers currently. Check out the product links and any updated deals in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 7. Truxedo TruXport. If you're after a simple and budget-friendly way to protect your truck bed, the Truxedo TruXport is a great choice. It's perfect for truck owners who want basic protection from the elements without any hassle or breaking the bank. The roll-up design makes it easy to use on your own. No need for special tools or awkward folding panels. Just unclip it, roll it forward, and you have full access to your truck bed. The dual paddle latches secure the cover tightly at the tailgate, while preset tension controls keep the vinyl cover taut even with changing temperatures. This means less sagging during the summer heat and fewer issues when the cold weather hits. Plus, the vinyl surface offers a sleek, low-profile appearance that stays smooth and doesn't flap around even on the highway. It's not designed for heavy snow or full waterproofing, so if you live in a region with harsh winters or need to store sensitive gear, you might want to consider a more robust option. However, for most everyday users, the TruXport provides reliable coverage, keeps your truck bed secure, and maintains a clean, sleek look. It's a solid entry-level choice, especially for those buying their first cover or looking for something practical for everyday use. Nothing too fancy, just a straightforward, dependable solution at a reasonable price. Number 6. Bak Revolver X4s. If you're looking to step up from a soft cover but aren't ready to commit to a bulky hard shell, the Bak Revolver X4s offers a smart balance. It's crafted with interlocking aluminum slats covered in durable vinyl, giving you the rugged protection of a hard cover while maintaining the convenience of a roll-up design. One of the standout features is its ability to roll up without obstructing your rear view. No need for removal or awkward folding. When it's closed, it securely locks with your tailgate, offering extra protection against theft. For those who use their truck daily, whether for groceries or gear, the added security is a major bonus. Plus, unlike soft covers that can stretch or lose their shape, the X4s keeps its sleek, matte black finish tight and flush, even with years of use. It does take a little more time to install than a soft cover, and it's a bit heavier, but with some patience and basic tools, the process is straightforward. Once it's installed, you can forget about it. For those who want added security without sacrificing full access or adding extra weight, the Revolver X4s is a reliable, low-maintenance option that keeps your truck looking sharp and working smoothly. Number 5. Retrax PRO MX. The Retrax PRO MX is designed for truck owners who want a sleek, secure setup that works effortlessly, every time. Made from industrial-grade aluminum slats, this retractable hardcover slides open and close smoothly on sealed ball bearings, eliminating the need for springs, snaps, or folding panels. It can be operated with one hand and locks in any position along the track, which is ideal when you need partial access to the bed without fully opening it. This cover is perfect for those who use their truck for work or transport gear that needs to stay out of sight. Whether it's tools, ladders, or camping gear, the PRO MX keeps everything safe with a tight, flush fit. Its matte black powder coat finish not only adds a polished look, but also helps prevent scratches and UV damage, ensuring it stands up to daily use. For anyone looking for a clean, low-maintenance solution that's as sturdy as it is stylish, the Retrax PRO MX offers secure storage, smooth access, and just the right amount of flexibility to meet everyday needs without slowing you down. Number 4. PowertraxPRO MX. If ease of use is a top priority, the Retrax PowertraxPRO MX offers the same sturdy, low-profile design as the PRO MX, but adds the convenience of motorized operation. With just the press of a button on the remote, the cover opens and closes effortlessly. No need for manual pulling or stretching. This is a game-changer when you're juggling items or battling bad weather. It retains the industrial-strength aluminum slats and the durable matte powder coat finish of the PRO MX, so you're not sacrificing toughness for convenience. Plus, it locks securely in any position along the track, allowing you to leave the cover partially open if needed. For anyone who frequently opens and closes their truck bed, whether for work gear, deliveries, or errands, and wants a smooth, hassle-free experience, the PowertraxPRO MX delivers premium convenience in a robust, secure package. While it may not be for everyone, it's a perfect fit for daily users who want hands-free operation and a sleek, professional look. Number 3. Dee Zee Guardian HD. If your truck is more of a workhorse than a weekend cruiser, the Dee Zee Guardian HD is built to handle the grind. Engineered for tough conditions and demanding tasks, it boasts full aluminum construction that stands up to dense dings and everyday wear and tear. Whether you're loading up lumber, transporting tools, or squeezing into tight spaces on a job site, this cover is made to endure. The trifold design offers easy access to your truck bed without compromising on toughness. You can fold it forward for complete bed access or keep it secured when you need extra protection. Multiple latches provide added security against theft, while the textured black powder coat not only enhances the rugged look but also improves grip and resists corrosion, making it ideal for trucks that see plenty of rain, mud, and road salt. However, the weight is something to consider. Thanks to its thick aluminum panels, this cover is heavier than some other trifold options, so installation may require an extra pair of hands. But that added weight translates into long-lasting durability that can withstand years of hard use. For contractors, field techs, or anyone who views their truck as a work tool rather than a showpiece, the Guardian HD provides the toughness and functionality you need without fuss. It's built to perform, not to impress, and it does exactly that. Number 2. Undercover Elite LX. The Undercover Elite LX is a great option for truck owners who prioritize both aesthetics and security. Unlike foldable or roll-up covers, this is a single-piece fiberglass lid that's color-matched to your truck, offering a smooth, factory-finished appearance. It transforms your truck bed into a spacious, weatherproof trunk, combining function with style. What really sets it apart is its solid build and ease of use. It features a built-in locking handle, eliminating the need for additional hardware or padlocks. Inside, integrated LED lighting makes it easy to locate your gear even in low-light conditions, and the gas struts ensure that opening it is a breeze. One hand is all you need, even in chilly weather or when you're carrying bags. On the flip side, the non-folding design means you can't open it partially or haul larger loads unless you remove the entire cover. It's not the best choice for those who need regular full bed access, but if you're after a sleek, secure, and low-maintenance cover, the Elite LX is a perfect fit. For anyone who wants their truck bed to feel like a secure, weather-tight trunk, both in function and appearance, this cover offers just that without compromising on protection or style. Number 1. Extang Solid Fold Toolbox 2.0. If you've already installed a toolbox in your truck bed, you know the struggle of finding a cover that works with it. That's where the Extang Solid Fold Toolbox 2.0 comes in. It's designed specifically to accommodate most standard 18 to 20-inch toolboxes, offering bed coverage and security without compromise. Constructed with durable yet lightweight aluminum panels, this cover is both weatherproof and resistant to impacts. Its trifold design allows easy access to your bed without having to remove the entire cover, and it's built to clear the toolbox, so both pieces work together seamlessly. No overlaps, no awkward gaps. The watertight hinges and seals around the perimeter protect your gear from rain and dust, while the integrated tailgate lock system adds extra security when your truck is parked. For contractors, field technicians, or DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable toolbox but still want dependable bed coverage, the Solid Fold Toolbox 2.0 is the perfect solution. It's a practical, secure, and well-constructed option that finally lets your toolbox and bed cover work in harmony. And that wraps up our picks for the top 7 truck bed covers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more truck bed covers rundowns. Got a favorite from the list or already have one of them? Let us know down in the comments. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll catch you in the next one.